Hi, and welcome to another County Com One Take video. Today I have one take, one opportunity to show you something cool from County Com. This is a unusual product. We filled a government contract for these. These are extras. Extras being, we have I know we have less than 100 that are going to end up in civilian hands. The contract was much larger, thank goodness. But a few extras, and we're going to offer them to our County Com clients. So you'll like this. Let's get into this. This is the Otis Cleaning Kit. This is designed specifically for the AR-15, M4, 223, 5.56 millimeter weapon systems. You'll see why it's flexible for a lot of weapon systems really quick. So let's dig into it. Let's open up. First thing that comes out is on the left side, or on, you've got a flashlight and a spare battery. The flashlight is, this kit is USA made, so it's Berryman Amendment compatible. Because of that, it's got a mag light inside. This is the LED variant with a red LED, so red tactical LED. Nice. This also has a Gerber Multi-Tool. And like I said, Berryman Amendment compliant, which means made in USA. So Gerber Multi-Tool here, made in USA, right here, big and bold. This is a multi-tool I've never seen before. Maybe I'm just naive, but what a cool thing. We are all, I remember the flicking it to get the tool to deploy. No, this has a little lever here, button. I slide it open. There it is. Deploys. However, neat thing about it is I've never seen a Gerber before that's spring-loaded. So it wants to open. It wants to work with me. One of the many nice things about this tool is the carbide replaceable bits. Very, very cool. A myriad of blades, lots of blades to do your work. A little pry bar, a little bottle opener. We have a file. Goodness, what else do we have? Screwdriver here. Look at that. But look at the screwdriver bit. It pops out, although I'm not sure if I'm smart enough to be able to do that. I thought it popped out. They told me it popped out. I saw somebody pull it out. I don't think I'm smart enough to do that. But screwdriver bit. Okay. But it gets better. It gets better. I also have this rotates out. A real screwdriver with 1/4-inch bits. But wait, there's more. Okay. But wait, there's more. Let's get into the big bag. I've talked 2 minutes already about a multi-tool. It gets better. I open up the tool pack. Okay, so right up here is marked 5.56, so we know this is for the AR weapon system. A myriad of little tools for cleaning ARs. Something to think about, something to watch for is these tools are all real small, like this one right here, and they migrate out of their proper place. Once you've, storage, shipping, things like that, they migrate out. So keep an eye open down below here for your little parts and bits and pieces. Let's talk about, so all these parts are replaceable from Otis right off the shelf. They're US made. Let's just say I wanted to brush something out of my bolt carrier group. I take the handle piece right here. Here's my little handle piece. I screw this together, and I have a brush. So I can brush. Let's just say I have a bolt carrier group that needs to, excuse my reach. Let's say I have a bolt carrier group that needs a little bit of brushing. Here we go. Here's my brush. I can get in, pull the dirt out. It needs a lot of brushing. That's okay. Here's the toothbrush handle. We've all seen this toothbrush handle before, but now it's got threads. So I can thread that on. I can make the tool I need. It's entirely up to me to make the tool I want to use. If I've got a little bit of scraping I need to do, not a problem. Out comes this brush. I'm going to put that right aside there. I'm going to put the little pin scraper in. I can get into little holes that need to have carbon removed from, as well as just a large large scraping blade. So, bunch of scraping blades. We still haven't really, hit this thing yet. They give you a little bore flag so you can mark your weapon as clear. You can illuminate the chamber to check the bore of the weapon. Give you a 223 or 5.56 brush. Good. This is the bore brush. A little different bore brush than, I'm sorry, I said bore. Bore brush, chamber brush. This is a little different chamber brush than I'm used to. But this is an Otis chamber brush. And things are done a little differently with the Otis system. And what are we talking about? What do you mean they're done differently? We attach, if we wanted to clean a chamber, we would attach this short 8-inch flexible piece. Nice thing about it is it's flexible. That's great. And then we would attach this piece right here, which gets us all set up for a T-handle. But we need a T-handle. Where would the T-handle be? Right there. That's the T-handle. In we go. And cool thing about this is really done nicely. It's tapered. It's got a small taper. You probably can't see it, but it's not going anywhere. I can go in now to an AR system, and I can run this right into the chamber. And I rotate because it's not going anywhere. It's, and I just rotate right there. Or I can go right in through the bottom. 8-inch flexible piece. Very, very, very handy tool. But, we've just barely touched this. So, also give me I believe it's 30 inches. It is enough for an AR. I believe you can throw God, it's easily, hold on, I've got a 16-inch weapon system here. Easily a 16, it's probably an 18-inch cable, and I can even probably look it up here in my notes, because I'm supposed to tell you it's a 30-inch memory flex rod. 30 inches? Yeah, I can believe that. So we can pretty much do any AR weapon system with this. So I'm going to just coil it up so it doesn't get all tangled on me. Great. They give me cleaning patches. So read the enclosed instruction guide. Speaking of the enclosed instruction guide, you're going to get a whole bunch of paperwork because everybody wants you to know how good their product is. You're going to get a military cleaning instruction sheet. So simple the military can use it. Awesome. And of course, there's more propaganda because Otis would like you to make sure that you know what the part numbers are if you need any replacement parts, because they're here to take care of you. That's super. They also included in this package lens tissues, cleaning your optics systems, whatever type of system you've got. Here's precision lens tissues. I'm going to throw that over here with the propaganda for now. So where I was going with this is patches are included. These are cleaning patches for the 223 weapon system. I know these are a little different than Grandpa's patches. These are round. They give you great instructions on it in the instruction book. The quick note on this is, I'm just going to put this here for now. I'm going to grab this really quick. And we're going to pretend this is on the 30-inch rod. We do, going to pretend. And if I wanted to attach a patch to it, we would, basically we enter one side. Let me make sure I'm going to do quick reference to the instruction sheet. Here we go. Yeah, good. I am doing it right. Nothing would be more embarrassing than to do it wrong on camera, and then everybody's going to tell me I did it wrong. So good. Do like that. I pull this down, and I just do a little fluff job. And there's my cleaning patch, and it's a nice tight cleaning patch. So very, very cool, unique. Play with it a little bit, and do follow the enclosed instructions. But anyway, so you get a brand new package of cleaning things. Q-tips, because you can always use Q-tips for cleaning weapons. Hey, look at that. Has anybody seen that before? you know what? We're very pleased and proud to have been included in this military cleaning kit. So the CountyCom UCS stick or the Norton's UCS stick is included in these military kits. We're excited to be involved in that. So good stuff. Oh, what do we got here? I got weapons lube. That's great. This is the Otis CLP, Cleans, Lubes, Protects, all in one. It's all right there. We also have lens cleaner, right? We have lens cloth, but we need a little cleaner too. This is cool. I like this. The lens brush, right? So you got your vision system, and it's just a beautiful little, soft little brush to get all the dust out of your optics. I like that. That's just very, very cool. And little adapter rod right here. This adapts. If you only have military brushes or consumer brushes, this is the adapter to the flexible cable system. So you're not tied into the Otis brushes. You already have brushes, no problem. You can still use your existing brushes. So that just stores right there. What else? Is there anything else? I got to check these pockets because, like I said, all the little things fall inside. If I missed anything that I need to tell you about, let's see. Got another adapter for brushes. So that one I think is the civilian adapter. But we got another adapter. Check all your pockets because look, here's what I almost forgot to tell you about this. Oh goodness, almost forgot to tell you about this. And the whole package is Molly. This is cool stuff. So yeah, to the untrained observer, or to the casual observer, I like that better. To the casual observer, yeah, I got a bit set. I got some hex. Yeah, I got some Torx, screwdriver. Nothing really that impressive. We can get this anywhere. Yeah, well, can you get this anywhere if I can get it out? So let me pull that out. I'm going to pull this bit out, maybe, if it's going to let me. No? Is this where I'm going to pull the Leatherman tool out, or the multi-tool out and grab this? No. So here it is. This tool, check out, I've never seen this as a hex tool before. This is the detent tool. Takes care of the detent. And for your front sight on your AR. Excuse me for being off camera there. But this is your AR front sight tool or your M16 M4 front sight tool. How cool is that? So it takes care of the I gotta be doing it not through the viewfinder but through the camera. But you've got got a tool for your front sight on your weapon. This tool plugs right into here. So, boy, gives you a lot of leverage. You don't quite I know you don't need that much leverage. But front sight tool. How cool is that? And as well as all of the other screwdrivers, things like that, that all plug into your Gerber Multi-Tool. What else? Is there anything else that I need to share with you about this? Guys, anything? No? Okay. So, like I said, Otis Cleaning Kit, current U.S. military issue. When you do get yours, check all the little, things settle in shipment. So, they're all going to be military issue, brand new, from the contract. So, all of these little bits and pieces are going to be floating around. In fact, actually, you probably will get your kit to you long before they're issued to our military folks. Okay. I think that just about covers it. There's a 14-minute video on the Otis Defense Military Cleaning Kit. So, officially, 5.56 millimeter Soldier's Toolkit. Cleans all 5.56 millimeter rifles. U.S. made. Wow, whole package U.S. made. Berryman Amendment compatible. It's just everything you could possibly need for weapons maintenance. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you get an opportunity to get your hands on one of these. Look forward to seeing you on our next video. Until then, stay safe and be alert.